In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Campsite.bio link. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Campsite.bio. Once you're here, on this page, we want to click onto the sign up for free button. So this is located on the top right hand corner of the page, or you might see it in the middle of the page. So either or, click onto that. Now, on this page, it will say getting started. We just need a few more pieces of information before you start. So select an account type. So if you're a personal account, choose personal. If you're an organization, choose organization. Now with your personal account, there are free plans available. So take that in mind. Below that, it's going to say account details. So your first name or company name. Then below that says let's get to know each other. So influencer or creator, business, entrepreneur, non-profit or other. So I am a creator. Now select up the free characters your Campsite.bio account best fits into. So go ahead and pick on free, choose free. All right, I think these three best describe what I do, and then click continue. Now from here it will say select your plan. So if you've done personal, it's going to have a free option, or you can do pro or pro plus, depending what you want to get out of Campsite.bio. But for this demonstration, I'm going to continue with free. Now from here, it will say profile setup. So you go ahead and put in your YouTube channel name, Twitter name, Instagram at podcast. And now if it says here, I plan on using Campsite.bio on my TikTok profile, you can go ahead and enable that if you like, or you can skip this step. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to put in my YouTube channel name and then click continue. Then after that, you're going to come to the main screen here of app.campsite.bio. So it says your quick start guide. Welcome to Campsite.bio. We're so glad that you signed up. Let's take 30 seconds to show you around. So you can go ahead and click on let's go and have a look around what's inside Campsite.bio. Now below that will say getting set up checklist, 4 steps, which takes about 9 minutes. So you need to confirm your email address, add a link to your profile, update your profile image, customize your theme, update your bio link on your socials. So I'm just going to go through this next one. Add a link to your profile, and it'll say how to do this. Adding a link is the first step in your Campsite.bio journey. Click the add link button, add a label to your link. This will appear as the link text. Paste the type in URL, switch the toggle in the bottom left corner to enable your link. So now to add a link, click on add links, add your link label. I'm just going to say YouTube channel. Then you can add a link to any web page. So I'm just going to put in youtube.com like so. You can also upload an image if you like. You can hide this, and you can preview on the right hand side here as well. Now if you want to go view your Campsite.bio, just go ahead and click on that page, and now it's going to appear on the right here. So if I go ahead and click refresh, it should appear.